Hi, do you consider yourself a programming beginner? Then this video is for you. Have you ever had this wonderful idea of creating your own coding project, but after a while you think you're completely lost, you think you're a noob, and your codebase is a complete trash? Or maybe you've watched loads of tutorials, but still when working on your own, you seem stuck and can't move along. We've all been there. Actually, what you need is just a little bit of planning and a simple algorithm to get things going in the right direction. So everything starts with a plan. What you want to achieve, what is your end goal? Once you have this plan, you start creating the prototype, the big building blocks of what your project is going to contain. After you get the prototype done, only then you start working on the actual functionality step by step. Once the basic version of your project is done, then you can start thinking about improvements and adding them as new layers of complexity. So this is how it might look like. So you start with the idea, just write down notes of the basic elements. After you have this done, start working on these empty prototype methods with no actual functionality yet. Once you have them done, put them together logically to create the full prototype of your project. And only then you start making these empty methods into actually functional ones, adding the basic functionality for each of these elements. And then once you think your basic version of your program is working correctly, then you can start taking these simple methods and maybe improve them just a little bit step by step. And there you go, you're a stud. If you want to see the full version of how we created this project, look for the video in the description. Thank you for watching.